Rogers cable flickering typically appears as screen flashes or color issues, often due to HDMI signal problems, incorrect refresh rates, or weak signals. First, ensure you're using a high-quality, certified HDMI cable. HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 is recommended. Then, check your TV and Rogers cable box's refresh rate settings. Mismatched refresh rates, like cable box at 30 Hz and TV at 60 Hz, are a common cause. Access your TV's settings menu and ensure the refresh rate is set to 60 Hz for optimal synchronization with Rogers broadcasts. Finally, assess your cable signal strength. Ideally, it should be between 9 of 15 and plus 15 dB. If the signal is weak, try removing unnecessary splitters or contact Rogers to check your line. These initial steps resolve many flickering issues. If basic fixes don't work, more advanced troubleshooting is needed. Ensure your Rogers cable box has the latest firmware updates, as these updates often include enhancements to HDMI signal processing. You can usually trigger an update through the settings menu or by contacting Rogers support. Also, consider that some TV's auto-refresh or upscaling features can conflict with Rogers' signal. Try disabling these features in your TV's settings. Looking ahead, the trend is toward streaming and cloud-based TV, reducing physical signal losses. Rogers is transitioning to cloud-based delivery, and future HDMI standards like HDMI 3.0 with AI correction promise to eliminate flickering through adaptive refresh rates. In the long term, AI diagnostics in smart TVs will automate fixes, but for now, addressing cable quality, refresh rates, and signal strength are key to resolving flickering issues.